question on every back pain sufferer's mind all the time is, how can I eliminate that pain in the fastest time possible? You've tried everything before. You've done the exercises. You've went to the specialists. You've seen the back doctors. You've taken pain medication. You're even considering surgery. Stop. Before you do anything, realize this. You're not alone. There's millions of people all over the world suffering from herniated discs, sciatica, low back pain, back injury, and even more suffer from even mild back discomfort. Before you do anything, listen very closely to what I'm about to share and ask yourself where you stand on these critically important issues. Number one, do you understand that back pain is a symptom and almost always is not the actual problem? Imagine going into a new home that you're considering buying. Imagine you see how beautifully laid out it is, the creative architecture. You admire the gorgeous pictures on the wall. Then, for some reason or another, you notice a small mark peeking out behind one of the pictures. You walk closer to investigate, and you notice that behind the picture there's a gigantic hole. You remove the picture from the wall, and you see that the hole is deep and wide, and inside it contains little tiny insects covering the entire frame of the wall. So you continue to remove the pictures, and you notice that the entire house is rotting away with termites. You ask the owners what they're going to do about it, and they respond by telling you, don't worry. Their game plan is simply to cover the holes with as many pictures as possible. As the termites eat away at the walls, they'll just put up more pictures. Now, as ridiculous as this sounds, this is unfortunately how some people treat their back pain. They put the proverbial Band-Aid on their back and hope that it cures their pain. Now, one of the things you must do is realize that back pain is almost always a symptom and never actually the problem. Don't let someone fool you into treating just the symptoms. How about number two? Are you considering or are you taking painkillers or drugs as a potential solution? Please do not do this. Painkillers simply shut off your brain from feeling your pain. They tell your brain not to acknowledge the pain, but the problem is still there. How about number three? Do you know that your body has its own built-in back pain removal system? Your body is designed with intelligence beyond any human description. Just one molecule of DNA has more information stored in it than tens of thousands of computers. Your body has built-in functions and repair systems that automatically operate anytime something goes wrong. And one of these systems is called pain. See, what you have to do is you have to find a professional that can detect and zero in on the problem. This will give your built-in back pain removal system an opportunity to work. Now, did you know that another major cause of back pain is poor regular maintenance? Things such as exercise and activity are often avoided by back pain sufferers because they're usually in too much pain to do it. With all that said, the biggest reason someone's back gets worse and worse is due to something that you'll least likely expect, and that is procrastination. Some people, regardless of how bad their back may hurt or how their lifestyle is affected in a negative way, still continue to put off the right actions to help themselves feel better. Don't be one of these people. Get the correct help. Don't put it off anymore. Just imagine living pain-free, sleeping better, doing more things with your family and friends, and most importantly, increasing your quality of life. All these things can happen if and when you take the right action to help eliminate your pain. Take a second right now and go to the website that you see right now and get a free back pain consultation by someone that can help. Or take a second and call the number on the screen and be directly connected to someone that can help and that can schedule you for a no obligation free consultation.